In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give client access in Gohighlevel. We'll be doing this from inside your Gohighlevel account, and the goal is to create a user login for your client so they can access the platform with the right level of permission. This is especially useful when you want a client to view or manage parts of their account without giving them more access than they actually need. To get started, go to Gohighlevel and sign into your account. Once you're inside, make sure you navigate to your agency account. This is important because user management for client access is handled from the agency level settings, not from the regular sub-account view. After that, look over to the left-hand menu. From there, click on Settings. This is where you'll find the administrative options for your account, including team management. Once you're in Settings, go to the left-hand side again and click on Team. The Team section is where you can add, manage, and update users who need access to the platform. Now click on Add User. This will open the form where you can enter your client's details and define how they'll log in. Go ahead and fill in your client's information. Start with their first name, then enter their last name followed by their email address and phone number. Make sure these details are accurate, especially the email, since that's often tied to login access and future communication. If you're entering a phone number, use the correct one associated with the client. Next, click on Advanced Settings. In this section, you'll be able to add a password for the new user. Be sure to use a secure password and share it with your client safely through your preferred secure method. Avoid using weak or easily guessed passwords. After that, click on Roles and Permissions. This is one of the most important parts of the setup because it controls what your client will actually be able to see and do inside the account. Under User Role, open the role selection and choose User. This role is typically the right choice when you want to provide standard client access without assigning higher level administrative control. Choosing the correct role helps prevent accidental changes to important settings. Once everything looks good, click Save. That will create the user and finalize the client's access. And that's it. Your client should now have access to Gohighlevel based on the role and permissions you assigned. Before you finish, it's always a good idea to quickly review the information you entered to make sure there are no mistakes. That way, your client can log in smoothly without any confusion.